Ways to escape a bedbug nightmare. Does fumigation kill bedbugs? First, let's clear up what we mean by fumigation. Fumigation treatments are not the same thing as using a bug bomb or fogger. Fumigation involves releasing powerful pesticides inside a structure that is completely sealed with a tarp, so none of the insecticide can escape. The idea is that the gas will penetrate through everything inside the structure and kill anything alive. Here are the problems. 1. Depending on where you live, fumigation can be very expensive. If you live in the South or South Carolina, you might know that fumigation treatments are quite common. However, in the Northern U.S., fumigation companies are more rare, which makes treatments 5 times more expensive. 2. Multi-housing situations are extremely expensive and complicated to treat with fumigants. Imagine having to seal an entire skyscraper with tarps. It's just not plausible for many and would cost a fortune to hire the manpower to complete such a job. 3. Bedbugs can come right back. Unlike other treatment methods, there is no lingering effects with the initial treatment. If there's even a single bedbug left inside or reintroduced into the structure later, it's just a matter of time before there are sightings and bites once again. 4. Finally, fumigation is not the option for many business owners, homeowners, and apartment managers, as it requires the entire structure to be completely closed, not to mention potential roof damage. And the solution is, Convectex encourages those plagued with bedbugs to skip fumigation and go directly to heat treatment. Heat is fast, affordable, and works within just 24 hours. Heat is the closest treatment to fumigation without having to tarp or shut down the entire hotel or apartment complex. You have the option to treat single rooms, apartments, or the entire building depending on the size of the infestation. Heat treatments are simple enough that anyone can perform them, or you can hire a professional that uses Convectex bedbug heat equipment and get the same results either way. Heat treatments are the future of bedbug treatments and is recommended by the CDC, EPA, and the National Pest Management Association. Are you ready to kill bedbugs with heat? Give us a call at 877-375-0005 or email us at info@convectex.com. We can help you decide which heat package is best for you, or even help you start a new bedbug business. The opportunities are endless. Call today